How to insert logo in Word document. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can insert logo in Word documents. Without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to insert logo in a Word document, open up your Word into your personal computer. After opening up your Word, you may just open the Word official one. I'm opening a browser for now. And you just need to head over to the insert section. And when you head over to the insert section, you just need to head over to picture and you need to select the logo that you have saved in your device. Just go to this device and your file manager will open up on your screen where you'll be finding your logo that you've saved. So for example, this is a logo that I have saved just for example. So after that is done, just open and you can see this logo is added on my screen. So I'm just gonna wait for it to be added. So after it is added, just click on it and you just need to format it. And after formatting it, you may just adjust it accordingly, like your size, top, bottom, left, right, rotation, degree, and you may also add a description if you want. After that, just move it around wherever you want to place the logo in. And basically that's how you put a logo or insert a logo in your Word document. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.